Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, rear wheel drive, remote trunk release, tires, front performance. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.